So over here you can see that I have my AnyDesk opened up, and then over here on the top you can see your address. So if you were to actually give this address to someone else, then they will be able to go ahead and connect out to your computer. But what you can also do right here is you can go ahead and then, let's say for example, click on invite right here and send a session invitation to another user as well, so that they can go ahead and accept it out as well. So for this, what you can simply do right here is type in the number of the other user. So I'm just going to go around over here just like this, and let's say for example I'm going to go ahead and add in the number of the other user right here, so they will be able to go ahead and then share this out with you right here. So once you go ahead and add in a number, you can choose a profile right here, which can be just for screen sharing and default with all of the access, and you can simply go ahead and invite them. Once you do that, the other person will be prompted to view it, and then what happens is that they will be able to go ahead and access out your desktop. So now over here, just like this, the other user will now be able to see your desktop right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and then that is simply how you can go ahead and then send a request to other people using AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.